Hey class, I'm Chelsea Jensen. This is my business, Betty Ann Co. The website's BettyAnneCo.com. This is my homepage right here. I designed my own logo and came up with a little tagline where style meets comfort. That's really the main focus of all of my products is comfort. Anything that will increase the comfort of everyday life. Um, I Okay, so you can get to all the products right here in the main navigation bar, or I have different collections that I've put together down here to make it a little bit easier to find exactly what you're looking for. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the products up here so that you can see all of it at a glance. I had a lot of suppliers fall through that I was hoping to work with, so I kind of decided to go with drop shipping and print on demand companies. So I have a lot of t-shirts that are just offered from a print on demand supplier, and then I have a bunch of other products that would be drop shipped. And I tried really hard to choose products that ship from within the United States because I know a lot of customers don't like waiting a month for the products that they order online. So I tried really hard to focus on that when finding products. And I don't have a lot that I offer right now, and they're not really the products that I ultimately want to sell in this store. So I've actually shut down my ads campaigns and haven't started posting in my social media accounts yet because I want to find those right products before I continue the ads campaign and bring in a lot of customers. So the tools that have really helped my business this semester, the biggest one has been Google Ads by far. Being able to run that ads campaign really drew in a lot of customers that I would not have gotten otherwise. And it was really fun to be able to see the different keywords, what's working, what's not, um, and how my ads were working, which ones were working the best. And then using analytics along with that and seeing which demographics were coming in and how they interacted with the pages throughout my website. Those two Google tools were instrumental in my business. The other thing that helped me a lot is Shopify's back end here. I able to keep track of all the products that I list. Um, they have different apps that link up, so it's really easy to keep your social media linked up with your website, and they actually link up with your Google Ads so that it's a pretty seamless process. There's a little bit of a learning curve with it using Shopify, but I really have enjoyed it. Anyway, it's been a fun semester. I've loved learning about creating my own business, and I hope that you guys all have a very Merry Christmas.